Hello everybody, welcome back to Planet X News. This is Scott from the Nibiru channel. One of our subscribers sent in a link to a video and also a news report. And this is concerning NASA and the European Space Agency monitoring a very large asteroid. The headline reads, "Catastrophic asteroid could wipe out life on Earth, NASA warns." Now, we've heard this before from NASA. We've heard this before from the European Space Agency. And it states that Armageddon could become a reality if funding for the NASA mission to detect an asteroid is cut from the budget. Well, apparently Donald Trump has cut some of the money going to NASA for some of their programs, and seems like they're pretty butthurt on this. Now, we've heard a lot about asteroids and meteors since 2016. We've seen a steady increase in meteor activity since then, and we are going to continue to see an uptick in meteor activity around the Earth. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Now, this redirection program and redirection test, I guess NASA's been going at this for quite some time. Now, here's a short video that was put together. The video is called "The European Space Agency and NASA Reveal Their Asteroid Redirection Test." So let's just take a look at this real quick and see what it's all about.
If an asteroid was ever headed our way, what could be done about it? ESA and NASA plan to test if a technique called kinetic impact would work to deflect it. The Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment Mission is made up of two spacecraft, the US-led Double Asteroid Redirection Test and the European-led Asteroid Impact Mission. Headed to the Double Asteroid Didymos system, ESA's AIM has three objectives: to see if asteroid deflection is feasible, to test deep space laser communication systems, and to perform scientific investigations on the asteroid system. AIM will be launched in October 2020 in order to rendezvous with Didymos in May 2022. AIM will be humanity's first probe to reach a binary system.
Well, apparently, this program of NASA's is to redirect this asteroid by using kinetic energy. And when they mean kinetic energy, they're going to either try to bump this asteroid out of the way or cause an explosion by using, well, probably a nuclear weapon to set the asteroid off course and change its course. Now, it states here that the 160-meter asteroid has skimmed Earth's surface before, and space boffins want to launch a probe onto or nearby on a moon of this asteroid to monitor its trajectory. Then, if the asteroid got too loose, NASA could launch an Armageddon-style mission to deflect it away from our home planet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be quite honest with you. I truly believe that NASA and these other space agencies already have this technology. Back in mid-September of 2016, I had some direct information related to an asteroid that was inbound, and this technology of bumping it or blowing it into pieces was used to destroy or deflect a very large asteroid that was headed towards Earth. Received a lot of criticism on it because I had some inside information on it, and shortly after this mission was launched, it involved several rocket launches and nuclear blasts to deflect this asteroid. Now, shortly after, I believe the date was sometime towards the third week of September, we started seeing a pretty good uptick in meteor activity around the world. There was an impact right off of Queensland, Australia, in the ocean, in the Coral Sea. And then there were a lot of asteroid fragments detected for the next 30 days thereafter. Now, we're looking at the NASA website, and they have a computer-generated model of what this asteroid looks like, and it looks like a planet. It actually seems to rotate like a planet, and it has another smaller asteroid which is orbiting around it. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. I just find it very interesting that all of a sudden they're making all of this information available to the public. They're putting it out there right in your face, and they're stating that this won't happen until 2020 and thereafter, but just making you aware that this situation is occurring. Now, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. One of my biggest fears right now would not be the passing of a rogue planet in the Nemesis solar system or one of these brown dwarf stars in our solar system. My biggest fear would be a large meteor or asteroid impact on our planet. Our planet is made up of 2/3 water, so the laws of probability seem to take over, and we would probably have an impact in one of our oceans. And we know very, very well that that would create a massive, unbelievable tsunami, and that would wipe out populations around the globe. So the only thing that we can do is keep on paying close attention to what they're doing and the subliminal information that they are putting out. Because I've been seeing a lot of this lately from the European Space Agency and also NASA. It just seems that over the past few months, this has been something that they are publicizing and something that they've been working on for quite some time. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that we keep ourselves up to date and in the loop as far as the information that they're putting out. And there's a reason why NASA does this. There is a reason why the European Space Agencies put this information out there. The majority of everything that they do, they want to keep secret. But whenever they're putting this information out there, this is just their way of telling you, hey, you better start paying attention, even though we can't tell you exactly what we're doing and what's going on. This is a very high possibility about what may occur. And ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, stay updated, stay informed, and stay tuned. If any of you are interested in prepping supplies, emergency food, and water, you can visit one of my associates, foodforliberty.com. Their link is in the description box under the video. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to the Nibiru channel and Planet X News so you can stay updated and informed. And I would also like to thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to Planet X News. This is Scott from the Nibiru channel. One of our subscribers sent in a link to a video and also a news report. And this is concerning NASA and the European Space Agency monitoring a very large asteroid. The headline reads, "Catastrophic asteroid could wipe out life on Earth, NASA warns." Now, we've heard this before from NASA. We've heard this before from the European Space Agency. And it states that Armageddon could become a reality if funding for the NASA mission to detect an asteroid is cut from the budget. Well, apparently Donald Trump has cut some of the money going to NASA for